Guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to do our 50th draw on the Ducati event on our third account. Here's the bingo pattern, so it is guaranteed that we'll get a bingo. So we're hoping to get Leomord Ducati. I already got it on my first and second account. Hope I can get this on the third account as well. So let's go. Wish me luck and hope we can get a new skin in the 50th draw. Of course, it's a duplicate as a whole. And we got Leomord!
Right! Like the Crimson Lightning!
We got Leomord on 3 of our accounts. We're so lucky, guys. 337 skin. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.